Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. My name is Ketan. Today we're going to talk about MDI GURGAON. It's one of the best colleges in the country. We're going to talk about its placements, programs, diversity. We're going to talk about the cutoffs and everything. So let's go ahead. Now, couple of facts about MDI GURGAON before we move ahead. So yes, the first thing that I would love to mention here is that it is the first B school in the country which was accredited by the AMBA, which is the Association of MBAs. Again, yeah, definitely, it's in top 10. Sometimes it's in top 10, top 15. So yeah, again, the ranking would change year on year, but yes, it is indeed a top 15 B school in the country as of now. The couple of things more as far as the MDI is concerned. MDI is actually known for the exchange programs. Also, it conducts maximum exchange programs in the country compared with any other college in the country. Moving ahead, there are a couple of programs in here. So we've got PGPM, that's the flagship one. Then we have the human resources one, and we have the international management, which is nothing but the you can say that international business. So these are the three programs conducted by MDI GURGAON. Now, eligibility, it's going to be a very simple thing. Nothing typical as such. It's a 50% thing, right, that you have to have. So you need to have 50%, and that's for the PGP, HRM and PGPM. There is no compulsion as far as on the work is concerned. Wherein if you look at the IB or international management, yes, there is a limitation, which is you got to have 1 year of work experience, and I think everything is similar. Like 50% is the criteria for all the three programs in here. Now, selection process is again very simple. If you look at the selection process out here, they conduct VAT, they conduct GDPI. Again, it's a good thing because it's not only VAT that they're taking also GDPI. So that's the weightage given is 30% as far as your GDPI is concerned. And CAT is the main exam that they conduct. Rather, they take, they don't accept any other exam apart from CAT. So CAT, you have to have a good percentile. A decent percentile for CAT would be, as far as the conversion is concerned, should be around about 97.60 plus. I'm talking about the conversion, but anyway, we will be looking at the cutoff later on. So let's move ahead. All right, so if you look at the fee structure, I completely believe that, it's kind of, over and above. So 21.5 lakh is too high. But again, I will not be able to take that call till the time I actually look at the placements of the company, this college, because you cannot just say that, the college is charging you very high. If the college is capable enough to give you a good ROI, then I think that's sorted. But yeah, as far as the IM is concerned, international business is concerned, I think it's 25 lakhs is too much. At the same time, the college definitely gives you a bit of advantage by giving you a little bit of scholarships. So OP General scholarship is given to the students which are in the second year. That's around 1.5 lakh, not that great. It's kind of but still a good amount. And at the end of the second year, the college would also award a couple of merit-based scholarship. The figure might change on a yearly basis. Cutoffs. As far as the cutoffs are concerned, the range is 95 to 98, no doubt about that. But again, as I said, a good cutoff for a conversion should be around about 60 or 70 percentile, 97.70 or 60 percentile. You can get a call sometimes at 95 percentile also. That's the cutoff, to kind of get a call, but not sure whether you'll be able to convert or not. Again, that's what I said. Like a safe cutoff should be 97 plus. I will also be showing you the average cutoff. So this is going to be the category-wise cutoff that the MDI is looking at. 75 for Quants, verbal for 85, LRDI should be 85, and overall you should be having 95 plus to get eligible to get a call for VAT, GD and PI. Conversion cutoff would differ year on year. This is the most important slide, batch profile. If you look at the batch profile, right now, as far as the work ex, you will not find many people with 36 plus work ex. This is going to be the major chunk. That's where we talk about 1 year to 2 year work ex students will be much. You can check the percentage, that's 23%. If you look at the first thing out here, which is mentioned here, so this is to do with the fresher. So again, the fresher number is quite good. That's 1/3 of the batch is filled with the fresher. Looking at the college, the kind of performance that MDI GURGAON has. So I think 1/3 for fresher is a great number altogether. Now let's move ahead. Let's try and understand engineers. 80%, commerce 10%, other 6%, arts 4%. So again, it's one of the engineer dominated college. This is the average cutoff, the average CAT percentile to convert, rather to get into MDI GURGAON is 98.6. So you can feel that, right? That you might have people at 95, 96, 97, 98, even 99 percentile also. I have seen people at 99.20 converting MDI and opting for MDI, and that's the reason you will see 98.6. That's the average CAT percentile. Average age is around about 24. Females 32%. That's a decent number. Average work age is 21 months. Fair number. Now let's look at the diversity as far as the industry is concerned. People coming from BFSI 7%. Again, maximum chunk is coming from IT out here. Now moving at placement highlights. Again, the another important slide out here. So 138 students are receiving PPO. That's huge. To be very honest, that's huge. 138 is a great number. 29% total number of new recruiters. Again, this number is good because always remember, you got to look at a college from a perspective of how many new recruiters these guys are attracting on a yearly basis. That talks about the reputation, goodwill, and the student quality of the college. And that's very, very important. 5% increase in the average salary, decent enough if I talk about 2019, wherein I have other colleges, increasing their average salary by, let's say, 20%, 15%. I think it's a decent performance. 26% received offer in finance. That's great. 23 in operations, 31 in sales and marketing, 36 new recruiters. This is a good number. To be very honest, this is a good number. As far as the placements are concerned, it's a great number. Okay, now let's look at the placement. The highest salary is 40.79 lakhs. Amazing, great. If you look at the PGPM and the HRM, number of companies, for the PGPM and combining these two, like you have around about 106 companies. But again, companies would not matter a lot. What matters is the numbers that you have, to be very honest. 20.13 is the average that they are saying, but I'm going to go with this number. That's going to be 19.82 lakhs. That's the median salary. I think that's a good number. Again, it is close by in the 20 lakhs club, wherein we have the other colleges like SPs and JBs and all that. Top 10 percentile, okay, average salary is 28.52 lakhs. Again, this is going to be a percentage, I would say. We are talking about the batch. Top 10% of the batch would get around about 28.52. So the numbers are good. Nowhere I see that the numbers are not that great. These are actually good. These are close to all the top 10 B schools in the country. Now, sector-wise recruitment, again, if you look at here close by, the BFSI sector is a dominating one. So BFSI dominates here as well, with the that's 22 companies. FMCG retail 18, strategy and consulting 15. That's a decent number. Telecom healthcare 11, IT and conglomerates 19. That's a decent number, by the way. But again, this would change YOY. I mean, this should not be kind of criteria for you to decide whether you want to go for a college or not, because this will change year on year. Moving ahead, domain wise, okay, let's look at sales and marketing. What all companies we have? You can pause this video and you can have a look at it. But yeah, if you let's quickly look at, so you've got Coca-Cola coming in, you've got SBI is there, Fidelity is there, Aditya Birla is there. So I think if you look at the company wise, I think you will find all these companies getting on to the top 15 B schools campus. So the good thing is that what you see in MDI, all these companies are also going to on the campuses of IMA, ABC, FMS, XLRI, SB Jain, Jamnalal Bajaj, all that. So you are not getting companies which are out of the way. I mean, there are companies, like all these companies are also visiting other top B schools also. So that's a good thing. Now let's understand the for the finance. Let me look at finance. So Stancy is there, Yes Bank is there, Nomura, okay, good. JPMC is there, BNP Paribas, MX is there, HSBC is there, Avendus, awesome, okay, great. So I don't see Morgan Stanley, Deutsche, Goldman coming on the campus, but again, the portfolio looks fantastic. This is for your IT and ITES. Okay, that's a decent number. As far as the operations and IT is concerned, you've got the bigger player in the market coming to your campus. I think that's a great thing. Let's move ahead. Like, what do we have? Okay, this is another important. So we've got Genman and strategy. Let's have a quick look at. Wow, the list looks damn good. Deloitte, EXL, Hinduja, JSW, PwC. Okay, these are good companies. Why am I saying these are good companies? Because these companies are actually going on top 7 B schools also. So you will find a couple of the companies from this portfolio coming on the campus of. They do turn up on ABC, they do turn up on FMS and Excel and all that. So Genman and strategy looks damn promising. Alright, so this is the HR portfolio of the companies. You can pause the video, you can have a look at it. Just by looking at it, on a prima facie, I think it's a great portfolio. If you look at the companies out here, they all are good ones. sector-wise offers. This is something little important. Let's kind of dig into it. So 81 again, BFSI dominated. Consulting is just the second one which is dominating. So this is good. BFSI is there, consulting companies are also there. So a lot of people are keen on getting into consulting zone, right? So yeah, MDI can be one of the option for you if you really want to get into the consulting domain. Let's move and try and understand if you have any other data. Fair enough. Okay, so for HR, I think the companies look good. Looking at the HR as a domain, wherein not much is happening. I mean, getting a placement in HR, we all know that, right? But again, the offers are quite good out here. So again, overall, it's a good college. It's a great college. No problem with that. So guys, in the end, thank you so much for watching this video. I would appreciate if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, because I will be making a couple of more videos. We're done with MDI. I have a couple of lineups as far as colleges are concerned. So we'll be making videos on FMS, IMT Ghaziabad, ABCs and all that. So stay tuned to my channel and go through this entire college series. Thank you so much.